How to add subtitles to your video in Descript or using Descript. So first you will need to open a browser and head to descript.com and make sure you're signed in. Now if you do not have an account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up for one. So once you're in the dashboard, you want to go to the project section and then click on new project and then click video project. And then you will need to upload your video file. So you'll simply click on the button to upload and choose a video that you want to upload. Now, once the video is uploaded, you should see the transcription on the left side. So to add subtitles, you will need to click on this captions section on the right-hand side. And then you will simply need to pick a style from these ones to be displayed on your video. Whichever one you like. So for example, this one right here. I'm going to pick this one. And then you can simply resize it and replace it wherever you like in your video frame. You can also customize it by choosing font size and custom things like this, the background and the fill colors and stuff like that. You can also pick the text color for the important words and for the other words. So you can also pick effects and do animations for in and out, fade and blur and stuff like that. And once you're happy with everything, you can simply move ahead and click on export to export the video. And then you can simply select the destination and the resolution and stuff like that. And click on export to export the video with the subtitles or the captions. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.